Hi there. Today our topic is about contract management. We have a dialogue between Patrick, admin manager, and Sophia, finance manager. After this conversation, we shall analyze the fact, discuss for any control deficiencies, and how to tackle these. Here's the conversation.
Hi, Patrick. Good morning.
Hi, Sophia. Good morning.
Patrick, my team members told me that for the payment requisition of the office renovation project, a copy of the contracts is attached. Firstly, it is only signed from our side only. Secondly, the amount does not match. Can you provide the final and original signed contract to us as soon as possible so that we can proceed the payment?
Sophia, okay, no problem. I will discuss with admin supervisors on this.
Patrick, any update?
Sophia, I regret to say that we cannot locate the original signed contract. We have amended the terms a few times with the suppliers, so back and forth, and now we lost the original.
Patrick, so what to do? You may need to contact the suppliers for the signed and final versions.
Sophia, we have no choice. I need to face, though, what a shame on us in front of our supplier.
Sophia is absolutely right. As an accountant, they are the gatekeeper. All invoices must be properly supported. Signed contract or quotation is one of these supporting documents. The procurement department is responsible to provide for payment purposes. Signed contracts would mean signed by both parties, and also the contracted amount must be matched with the processing invoices. In some organization, these are centrally filed. In case these are decentralized, each department should have maintained a full list of contracts that they have procured. There are no mandatory rules for such filing. However, for the ease of retrieval, departments should include name of supplier, payee. Next is contracted period. Is it a one-off or bill for a period of time, such as monthly, quarterly, yearly, or depend on progress? And contract end date. This cover sheet should have a reference number for the ease of identifying the filed signed contract. Nowadays, signed contracts could be in PDF format. As long as it is included in the cover sheet and reference number is written, the signed contract in PDF format can be located in designated drive of that department. With this arrangement, it is easy to provide signed contracts to finance as supporting documents. To recap, here are the key control points. Firstly, signed contracts must be properly maintained and filed for the ease of retrieval. Secondly, a full list of contracts with supplier name and key contractual terms should be maintained, and reference to the location of signed contracts, physical files for physically signed contracts, or in specific drive for signed contracts in digital format. Thanks for your time in watching this episode. If you like this channel, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends and colleagues who may find this useful to them. Next episode is about segregation of duties, part 1. Please turn on the notification bell for update of new episode. Stay tuned.